Hello everyone, welcome back to our ServiceNow learning series. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important responsibilities of ServiceNow administrator, managing users, groups, and roles in ServiceNow. If you are someone who wants to confidently manage access across the platform, this video is just for you. Alright, so the first step in managing the user access is assigning roles. A role in ServiceNow defines what a user can see and what they can do in the platform. And assigning roles to a user is very simple. Let me show you how. Click on All and in the navigation filter, type User Administration. Click on Users module under User Administration application menu. Search for the user to whom you want to add the roles. Open the user record. Scroll down to Roles Related List. Click on Edit. Now, from the role selection window, select the role from the left and move it to the right and click on Save. For this demonstration, I am selecting Scrum Master role and I will just click on the Save here. That's it. The role is now assigned to the user. That's very easy, right? Now, if you want to remove a role from a user, scroll down to the roles related list. Click on Edit. Select the role from the assigned list, that is from the right side of the slush bucket, and move it to the left. Click on Save. Done. The roles of the user are removed. Likewise, we can also assign and remove roles to a group. Let's see how. Assigning roles to a group is the most recommended way of assigning roles to users. Why is that better? Because any user who is part of the group will automatically get the roles assigned to that group. Simple and clean. To assign a role to a group, click on All. In the navigation filter, type User Administration. Click on Groups module. Search for a group and open the record to which you want to assign the roles. Scroll down to the roles related list. Click on Edit and select the role that you want to assign to the group. For this example, I am assigning ITIL role to the group. Select the role and click on right arrow to assign the role to the group. Click on Save. The role is assigned to the group and all the users in this group will inherit the role automatically. Now, let's see how to remove roles from the group. The removal process is exactly same as the way we have done to the users. Open the group record, scroll down to the roles related list, click on Edit. Select the role you want to remove and click on the left arrow. Once done, click on Save. You will notice all the users of the group will lose the role immediately. Moving further, let's look at how to add users to a group. Groups are very powerful in ServiceNow because they help manage access efficiently. Adding or removing a user from a group automatically controls their access based on group roles. Let's see how to add a user to a group. Click on All. In the navigation filter, type User Administration. Click on Groups module. Open a group record and scroll down to Group Members Related List. Click on Edit. Search for the users to add to the group. So for this example, I'm adding Abel Tutor and Abraham Lincoln to the group by clicking on the right arrow. Once done, click on Save. The users are assigned to the group. If you want to remove any users from the group, click on the Edit, select the user from the right, and click on the left button to remove the user from the group. Once done, click on Save. User is removed from the group. It's that easy. Now, there is another way to assign users to a group. We can do that from the user record directly. Let's see. Click on All. In the navigation filter, type User Administration. Click on Users module. Open a user record. For this example, I'm opening David Liu. Scroll down to the groups related list. Click on Edit. Search for the groups in which you want to add David Liu. Select the group and click on the right arrow and just click on Save. The user is added to the group. This method is very useful when a user needs to be part of multiple groups based on their responsibilities. Lastly, let us understand about role inheritance. This is very important. Roles in ServiceNow can also inherit other roles from the groups. So let's see how this works. For example, if a user is assigned with an admin role, okay, let us look at David Lu. If you go into the roles related list, you can notice there is an admin role assigned to this user. When you click on the role, you can notice the admin role contains several other roles. So when a user is assigned with an admin role, the user automatically gets many other roles like ITIL, catalog admin, user admin, and many more. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices you should always follow. Always assign roles to groups, not individual users, for easier access and management. Use proper naming convention for groups. Regularly review user access and remove unnecessary roles. Avoid directly assigning admin roles unless necessary. Always use sub roles for better security. This video. I hope this helps you in managing users, groups, and roles efficiently in ServiceNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more ServiceNow learning content. And if you have any topics you want me to cover, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.